how to install command, remove and upgrading the package through RPM through RPM package through RPM package. Okay. By using RPM, we can install only one package at a time. Okay. By using RPM, we can install only one package at a time, and it will not resolve the dependency packages. Will not resolve the dependency packages. We need to download from the web by using wget is nothing but a webget command and install package. Install the package. Is understood? So what is that? RPM, RPM options, RPM options package name. What is that? RPM options package name. Hyphen I is nothing but install. Okay, hyphen I is hyphen I. RPM hyphen I is nothing but install the package, and hyphen V is nothing but verbose to see the installation status. 10% complete, 100% complete. So hyphen E is nothing but remove the package. How to remove the package? Hyphen H is nothing but a hashtag. Hash check. So something like a 10% complete, 20% complete, it will showing check. Hash check. Guys, understood? So RPM hyphen options package name. How to install the packages? RPM hyphen install. So package name. RPM hyphen install package name. RPM hyphen E verbose. E is nothing but a remove. H is nothing but a hash. So hyphen capital U is nothing but a upgrade. What is that? Hyphen capital U is nothing but a create the package. Upgrade the package. These all are the okay. So these all are the options. These all are the options. If you want to install forcefully, if it is installed, so force install. So forcefully, even if it is already installed, already installed. Okay. So I can force. So install forcefully, even if it is already installed. Okay. Yeah. So example, first we need to download the packages from the web by using wget command. By using wget command. Guys, understood how to download the package and how to install the packages. So wget is nothing but a webget. If you want to download from web, you can use the wget command. You can use the wget command. Let's check wget command is installed or not. Shit. EC2 icon user sudo su. Okay. So rpm qa query all wget. Yeah, wget is installed. Okay. Mm, I want to install net-tools. What is that? I want to install the of course. Yeah, net-tools command. So we'll take it from the latest copy link address. Control C, rpm qa net install already. Okay. Yeah, we'll download the wget. Let's see. I will save the difference. Git that's why L M N M. Why this? Why check it is not there? Git rp package download. Copy link address. You see, wget. You see, fill link address. It will get the .html. Shit. I will show you the typing tools. Yeah. So this is the one, right? Copy link address, wget, paste. You see, it's a RPM based only. You see, connected, it's showing ls. Yeah, net-tools is installed. Where is wget? Wget is there, right? Why it is not showing wget? Wget is not showing. So net tools. LVM. Yeah, let's check if needs a wget. Yeah, you see. So LVM, net-tools. So these are downloaded. So I want to install the net-tools or LVM too. Let's check the if the package is installed or not. LVM rpm-qa shit guys ls rpm-qa lvm2. lvm2 is installed, right? Mm, I think Chrome also installed. Copy link address. RPM if Chrome. Yeah, I will install this wget ls. Okay, RPM yum remove cron. No match argument. No package marked as cron argument. Yum remove RPM icon QA. Sorry, RPM icon QA W get yum remove wget. You see? So wget is remove. So wget package is remove. I want to download it, right? Oh shit. Um, yum remove net icon tools. Okay. It's remove the net icon tools. RPM hyphen QA net hyphen tools. Okay. So there is no net hyphen tools. I want to install the net hyphen tools, right? RPM hyphen IVH net hyphen tools. This is the package I want to install. Right. So what it is, so failed the dependencies. So libc so is needed by the NetHyphen tools. So libc so 16. So libsc linux. So RPM rib. So these all are the dependencies softwares. So first we need to install these softwares. Then only we can install the NetHyphen tools. Then only we can install the NetHyphen tools. Understood? Wget yum install wget. 1 second, please. Your plugins, extra suggestions, long priorities, updated mode, no such command yum install. Sorry. Yeah, you see. So wget, there is no dependency. Yeah, I will download the wget guys. You will understand that. Wget package download Amazon Linux 2. Okay, link address. Yeah, a bit. HTML. Why it is showing HTML, guys? Click into repository. Yeah, this is the copy link address, duplicate. Yeah, it's connected, right? Now let's see RPM hyphen QA duplicate. Duplicate is there, right? M remove duplicate. Okay, I'm down. I'm removing this W. I will tell you as M. So ls RPM hyphen QA duplicate. The duplicate package is installed? No. So let's try to install RPM hyphen IVH duplicate package. You see? So preparing for the installation and updating and installing wget package. Okay, so RPM through RPM we can install the single packages if this packages does not have the dependency. So this package does not have the pad dependency. So if you use the yum install, so net tools to net tools having the dependency. Let's see through m install mm, net tools. Yeah. So hyphen y, it is installed. Okay. So it is installed for the net tools. Okay. So there is a dependency software for this net tools. Guys, now you understood? So the RPM, how you can install, how you can remove, right? Yeah. So we install the package. So how to remove the package? RPM hyphen QA wget. So RPM hyphen E is nothing but a remove wget hyphen one. We can copy this package. Okay, let's check. Package is removed. Package is removed. Understood? So RPM hyphen I install E remove U means upgrade. U means upgrade. Let's see. RPM hyphen VH wget. Oh, okay. We need to download the package, latest package. Okay. So this is nothing but a RPM hyphen QA, RPM. How you can install the package through RPM. Guys, understood?